Hello everyone. In this period, I am going to discuss with you a problem which is based on preparation of royalty chart and when there is a strike. Okay, this problem is different from earlier problems. So first, just I will read the problem. X, Y, and Z Company Limited took a coal mine on lease at a royalty of rupees 4 per ton. Okay, the royalty is fixed rupees 4 per ton. So this is important point here. So coal raised with a minimum rent of rupees 8,000 per annum. Okay, so the minimum rent is fixed 8,000, sorry, 80,000 per annum. Next, subject to the right of recoupment of short workings in the next 2 years. Okay, the recoupment or recovery of short workings is available for next 2 years. Next, in the event of strike, minimum rent be reduced proportionately to the period of strike. Okay, so here this problem is based on strike, and what they have mentioned, in case of strike, minimum rent be reduced proportionately to the period of strike. Next, here year and output in tons is given 2016, 17, 18, 19. So in 2019 there is a strike for 3 months and 2020, and at the end they have asked prepare royalty payable chart. Now a brief analysis of this problem. So here royalty is fixed rupees 4 per ton of coal raised, minimum rent is 80,000 per annum, and recoupment of short workings is next 2 years. And in case of strike, minimum rent be reduced proportionately to the period of strike. So whatever minimum rent 80,000 is fixed, na, this 80,000 is for 12 months. In case of strike, for how many months strike is taking place, so for that period, this minimum rent is reduced proportionately. Okay, so in the year 2019, there is a strike for 3 months. So for 12 months, 80,000 is minimum rent. So here strike is for 3 months. So we have to reduce 3 months from 12 months, so 9 months. So we have to ascertain minimum rent for 9 months. Okay, so this is what the information given, and with this information we have to prepare a royalty payable chart. Okay, so the problem is a simple one. So this is what the royalty payable chart. So as we have discussed in our previous problems, the same chart will be used. So here I have wrote years and output which is given in the problem. Now actual royalty, so actual royalty is fixed rupees 4 per ton coal raised. Okay, so here it is 10,000 into 4, so it is 40,000. Next, 18,000 into 4, 72,000. 25,000 into 4, it is 1 lakh. 12,000 into 4, 48,000. 30,000 into 4, 1 lakh 20,000. Now minimum rent, so what they have given in the information, minimum rent is fixed 80,000 per annum. Okay, so in 2016 it is 80,000, 17 80,000, 18 it is 80,000. But see here in 2019 what happened, there is a strike for 3 months. Okay, so in the problem they have mentioned in 2019 there is a strike for 3 months, and what they have given, in the event of strike minimum rent be reduced proportionately to the period of strike. So for the period of strike, minimum rent should be reduced. So to ascertain how much minimum rent for 2019, we have to give one working note over here. So this working note is for calculation of minimum rent for 9 months. Why 9 months? So there is a strike for 3 months. So 12 months minus 3 months. So there are 9 months remaining. So the calculation is very simple one. For 12 months, 80,000 is minimum rent. So we have to ascertain only for 9 months. So it is rupees 60,000. For 9 months, proportionately we have reduced this minimum rent. So it is 60,000. So here I will write it over here 60,000. Okay. Now in 2020 there is no strike now, so that's why how much here minimum rent? So here it is 80,000. Okay. Now next column, short workings. As already I have told you, what is short workings? When actual royalty is less than minimum rent. So here actual royalty is 40,000, minimum rent is 80,000. So there is a short working of 40,000. Now no surplus, no recovered, irrecovered. Royalty paid is whichever is higher, actual royalty or minimum rent. So whichever is higher, minimum rent is higher. So 80,000. In 2017, actual royalty is 72,000, minimum rent is 80,000. So here also actual royalty is less than minimum rent. So it is less by rupees 8,000. No surplus, not recovered any short workings, irrecovered amount is also nil. So royalty paid is whichever is higher. So here also 80,000 is higher. Okay. Now in 2018, actual royalty is 1 lakh, minimum rent is 80,000. So there is an surplus, actual royalty is more. So how much it is more? It is excess by 20,000. Okay. Now here in the problem, what they have mentioned? Recoupment of short workings in the next 2 years. So if in any year short workings takes place, they are subject to recovery up to next 2 years. So in 2016 there is a short workings of 40,000. So it can be recovered or recouped up to 2018, that is up to 2 years. Okay. So here surplus is 20,000. So here short workings is 40,000. So how much we can recover? We can recover only 20,000. Why 20,000? Because surplus amount is exist only 20,000. Okay. Now irrecovered. So here 40,000 should be recovered, but only 20,000 is available. So how much is irrecovered amount? 20,000. Because short workings can be recovered up to or for next 2 years. So here the deadline will be over. For 2016 short workings, the deadline will be up to 2018 only. Okay. So the actual royalty paid is, actual we have to suppose to pay 1 lakh, but 20,000 is recovered. So how much left over here? 80,000. Okay. Isn't it simple? Okay. 2019 actual royalty is 48,000, minimum rent is 60,000. So here actual royalty is less, so there is an short working of 12,000. No surplus, recovered is nil. See in irrecovered, so here this column is important. See in 2017 there is an 8,000 short workings, and we can recover this 8,000 in the next 2 years. So next 2 years means in 2018 and 2019. In 2018 there is not recovered any portion of this 8,000. In 2019 there is no surplus amount, So that is why what happens here, irrecovered amount is 8,000, and royalty paid is whichever is higher, 60,000 is higher. Okay, now in last year 2020, so actual royalty is 120, minimum rent is 80,000, so actual royalty is more. Okay, so therefore there is an surplus. How much surplus? 1,20,000 minus 80,000, 40,000. Okay, so recovered amount. So see, up to this it is recovered. Okay, now here there is no short workings. So in 2019 we have 12,000 short workings, so we have surplus 40,000, so we can recover this 12,000. Irrecovered portion is nil because entire amount is recovered. So royalty paid is 1,20,000 or 80,000, whichever is higher. 1,20,000 is higher, so we have to pay 1,20,000, but recovered short workings are recovered 12,000. So 1,20,000 minus 12,000, 1,08,000. Okay, so this is what the solution for the problem. So the problem is very simple one, and this problem is different from earlier problems because of this strike period. And in this problem regarding strike, what they have mentioned, in the event of strike, minimum rent to be reduced proportionately to the period of strike. So here we have reduced this minimum rent of 80,000 for, we have reduced the minimum rent of 80,000 for 9 months, so it is 60,000. Okay, so this is 60,000. So regarding strike, whatever instructions are given in the problem, we have to follow those instructions. Sometimes they may instruct that whatever royalties are earned, those are paid as royalty. Okay, in the next problem I will continue. Thank you.